Hello friends, hope you are doing great. In this session, I am going to talk about how to log out user when he is not performing any action for certain amount of time throughout the application. This functionality will be useful generally in case of banking domain applications or any security related applications. Before to this, I need to speak something about um, session timeouts. Um, the session timeouts can be two ways. One is client server application. So when the server says this authorization token has expired, then we'll be logging out the user. That is one type of session timeout. That is completely different what I'm going to explain now. From the client side itself, if you want to have some certain session timeout, then we have to follow this procedure. Okay. um, I have created one application. This contains two activities, login and home activity. Let me run this application. This login contains one pin login button. This is a home screen. Okay, now let us code this how we will do this. um, Let us create one base activity. Which extends app compat. Also, I'm overriding application. Let us name it as my app. Override on create method. Here, this on create method, once it is called, then we need to start the user session. So we can consider that user is in waiting state. I am typecasting my application to my app. Here I am writing one method, start user session. Here I'll write timer. Schedule the timer. Second parameter is after how many seconds or minutes of time you want to log out the user. Let us make very precise, which is equivalent to 5 seconds. So after this certain amount of time, this run method will be triggered, and I need some listener to pause the callback to activity. So create one interface. implement the interface. So once the session is logged out and I am finishing this activity, I am starting login activity. I need to register this listener as well, logout listener. Right. So once the session has timed out, I'm just passing the call back to back on session logout. Everything looks good. Let me run the application. Yes, after 5 seconds it has logged out. But again, meanwhile, in 5 seconds, if user has interacted with the screen, we need to reset the timer again. For this, there is a method called onUserInteraction. So in this case, we have to reset the timer or cancel the timer. Let us make this variable as global. Let us cancel the timer here itself. Cancel timer. When user has interacted again, so we have to reset the timer. Start user session. Start user session. Here it is cancelling the previous timer, again starting a fresh timer. Okay, let us run the application. I'm interacting here, so it should not log out me. Once I stop interacting, it should log out after 5 seconds. Yes. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.